perfect.
No.
My sandwich maker is on strike this morning. I had to make my own sandwiches. So if everybody thinks I can't take care of myself, look at this.
Don't ask him to work the toaster though.
I can work that damn toaster. I made my own sandwiches. What's the story you're going to tell me?
I'm not going to tell you on camera.
What? I can do a voiceover. I won't show you.
This will not be seen.
All right.
At Marion, Saturday night, there was a kid there who had a Polaroid camera around his neck. Well, you guys, your channels have inspired him. He drives an old square body Chevy. He's old school. He's just learning about carburetors. He reached out to Holly by pen and paper, mailed them a letter and asked if they could send him a book to teach him. They did.
What?
Yep. So he really enjoys any of your carburetor tech stuff. So he had this old Polaroid camera around his neck and he took the picture and he gave it to me. I said, oh, that's cool. I said, these days you don't get a picture in your hand anymore. They're just on your phone. I said, I'm gonna put that on my fridge. And he goes, oh my gosh. He said, next video I'll watch and see if it's, because you know, everybody sees the pictures on the fridge. Now this one, Allison, I don't know if people know this, Allison, Tommy's girlfriend, hand drew this. This one is from Cartoons by Mikey.
Yeah. And this is June Pup when she was a pup.
Yep, there's Billy's senior picture. And you and me at the ripe old age of about 17. We're about 17 right there. I have a kitten in the pocket of my bibs. That's all. You're not getting me on camera. And this is a reminder that we need invisible fencing for the dogs ASAP.
Wow. What a difference a little fluffing makes.
What do I have in here?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. How cool is this? Look, it's trucks. Cute little hand sewn bag.
That's nice.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, we have a little card.
What?
Starbucks.
Oh, I thought maybe it was a picture of Joey Heichel.
Stop. Okay, Vicky, this is from one boy mom to another. I feel your pain, LOL. Enclosed is a little bag that I make. We call this style of truck bubble trucks in our house. But you can pack a grab and go bag so the old man doesn't have to wait for you.
The only problem is you'll pack it when it's time to leave.
And also, next time I get a pedicure, here's a little coffee treat on me.
That was nice.
Very nice. Relax and enjoy. God bless you and your family, RDC.
You have no manners. None. We'll go out and throw frisbee in a minute.
That is so nice. Oh my gosh, I love it.
After lunch, me, Vicky, and Tommy all went out to the shop to get busy shipping orders out. Ever since Billy made that post that he blew his engine up, the orders have been coming in faster than we can even count them. We really appreciate all the support, but boy, oh boy, do we have a lot of stuff to get shipped out. So what are we doing?
We're gonna go take AJ an intercooler and some wastegates so that he can get working on Tommy's turbo kit.
Cool. So as we started gathering up parts, I realized I needed to find this torque converter I'd sold Michael Capizzi. I told that guy I'd get that converter shipped out right away, but I'm not sure where it's at up there. Now, I had asked Billy about this converter last week, and he told me he thought for sure it was up over top the garage. So, Junior got sent on a wild goose chase. Tangled up there?
There's not enough room up here. Your shit's starting to get in the way, Dad.
Well, my shit is in my shop. I could tell Billy was starting to get aggravated, but he had no choice but to go digging for it because he knows he's the one that told me where it was. Well, we found a converter up there, but it wasn't the one we're looking for. In fact, we found more than one converter up there. I found converters up there we didn't even know we had. Once we dug all these converters out, then we had to identify them and figure out which one was which. But we finally found the PTC 1600 that I sold Michael Capizzi. It was in a Hughes box, of all things. So after we located that converter and all the other converters, it was time to start rounding up all these parts we needed to take to AJ's. We needed the alternator bracket, a timing chain cover, a harmonic balancer, oil pan, and the fittings for the remote mount radiator to bolt to the block. So we load up all the parts in the Suburban and we hit the road. Tommy decides he's going to drive, and I thought, uh-oh, here we go. I wanted to stop at McDonald's on the way down and get something to eat, and Tommy always screws up ordering McDonald's for me every single time. Easy on the shifter handle.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Now, I can't stand onions, so I always tell Tommy, when you order for me, tell him I'll die if I'll get any onions on my sandwich.
What do you want?
Number 2, without onions.
I need a number 2 with no onions. I'm allergic. I'll die.
Perfect.
Okay, I'll let them know, honey. Did you want that medium or large? What's that?
That's all right. I already added it on accident.
Okay, honey. Did you want the fry?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I will.
What a train wreck, Tommy.
All right, honey. Was that all for you?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, $15.82. The first window, please. Thank
Did
you.
you get me a 10-piece nugget?
Did you want a 10-piece?
I wanted one, yeah, but you were too busy screwing up the
You
order.
should have told me. You said.
Aren't we?
No, you're. Me.
See if they can add another 10-piece right here to Linda.
You think I can add a 10-piece nugget?
You sure can.
Perfect. See?
No, thank you.
Adapt and overcome, Tommy.
All right, it will be 1901, and I did let them know you're allergic.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Way to go, Tommy. You're doing big things today.
Did you hear what happened in Ligma?
Ligma.
Ligma balls. Got him.
Did you get me, Tommy? Did you really get me?
But I'll get you for real later.
You will?
Never see it coming.
You promise me? Because I never heard that coming, like Ligma. Ligma. I never saw that coming. So we finally make it to AJ's with all the parts, and we get to check out the S10 and what he's gotten done on the roll cage. And boy, oh boy, let me tell you, I've never seen a tighter roll cage fitted into an S10 cab than this one. When we got back to the house, I went in and sit down, take a break for a little bit, came back outside, and here's Kirkwood Auto Glass in my driveway. I had no idea they were even coming or what they were even doing here. What you doing, buddy? Tearing it down?
Yep. Turning this down. They're putting windows in the Nova.
I didn't know that was happening.
Yeah, he stopped by last week and he was like, "When you want to do it?" I'm like, "Whenever you want to come do it." So
Nice.
we had some time.
You just putting stock glass in it?
No, I got optic armor windows.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Crap, that's awesome. That's fantastic. Kirkwood Auto Glass, baby. We ain't screwing around. Scraggers.
Did you ride all the way through the creek?
No. I come across that open lot between us and then over. What you doing, Junior? How you doing, buddy?
This is his first day in the four-wheeler.
Is it really?
Yeah, he goes all through the whole creek and woods.
That's
and everything.
awesome. You having fun?
Yeah.
Good deal, man.
It's funny, he can barely fit his hand around the...
I know, he's like sitting there kind of holding his hand.
He's like holding the hand and hitting the throttle.
Dude, that thing runs good.
Yeah. I got the fuel mix just right.
Woo-wee. Dude, when you kick into that thing, it is right now.
Just give her the gears.
Give her the corn. So what's going on here?
Our shiny head.
Oh, Oh, Jeff painted your hood?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Why don't you go get the car so we can get it put on? Man, that's gonna look really good.
It's gonna make the rest of my paint job look terrible.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it into them, and they saved the paint that they painted this with, and they're gonna touch up
Nice.
spots that are missing paint when I take it in. But
Nice.
I told them I'd like to fix the fuel issue before I drive it clear back to Columbus.
Oh yeah. Need a fuel gauge. Hey, go get that Mustang so we can get that. Oh my God.
What?
You look like caveman SpongeBob. Hey, go get that Mustang so we can get that hood on before it gets dark, because the truck's in the shop. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hey, he looks like caveman SpongeBob. What the hell are you yipping about?
Can you help me get this hood prop?
What?
Help me unhook this hood prop so I can get this thing off.
Oh my God, boy. All right, it's off.
Thank you.
Ah, gee, oh.
I'm not strong.
Hey, so where are we gonna put that hood?
I don't know, probably in the back of her truck. Lay it in the grass over here.
Somehow I gotta get these kids on a schedule where they know not to try and work outside in the dark. It's always like this. Every time. Oh boy. You got it?
Where's the fucking bolts, Molly?
They're in my pocket. Where's yours?
Mine are over there
Where are
on the
yours?
radiator.
Here's his. All right, so the bolts are a different size. That was a small hang up. Luckily they're not metric, because I don't keep metric bolts here, but they're 1/4 20. So you got your hood on?
Yes,
You like it?
I do like it.
Shout out to Vic's Body Shop. They hooked us up.
Erica and Jeff.
Columbus, Ohio.
They're good people.
They are.
They've always been good to our family.
It was really fast too. It was like overnight.
Jeff's a really hard worker.
So what's next? Are you guys leaving to go get an engine or not?
Yeah. I don't know if she's going or not.
You can take my truck.
I gotta figure out what day I'm gonna leave and go get it.
Okay. All right. That's gonna do it for today, guys. We're outie.
Till next time.